there'll be like several thousand people every Sunday between 6 and 10. And so then we said, okay, like, can we do more? And then the same group reached out and said, like, shall we do something to create more awareness around carpooling, around taking the RTC buses? And so we said, like, let's do it. We discussed first 1 day a month. Then we said the 1 day a month doesn't form a habit. To form a habit, it has to be like at least once a week. That's when it kind of in your mind. So we quickly met. So we got Sandeep Kulkarni sir, who is the Transport Commissioner. We got the Commissioner of Police, so a lot of officers involved. The Executive Director of RTC, and we had a brainstorming meeting, and then decided we will do it. So we launched it in August last year, August first week. For the first 2 months, we had a lot of buses, RTC additional buses running on Thursdays on some key routes where a lot of IT industry employees come from. So we got a lot of attention. We used to do street activity. We used to actually be on the streets holding placards. We got a lot of IT parks involved. So they gave little cards to the employees driving cars. So we did a lot of 3-4 months. Awareness was very good. And there was a drop in traffic also for a few weeks. Like on Thursdays, we would see that the traffic is better. But then, like, if we took 5,000 cars off the road, I think like every month the city is adding 10-15,000 cars, new cars. So very quickly, like, the effect was not visible on the roads anymore. But we still stayed at it. We even celebrated the first anniversary in August, 3 months back, of the whole movement. And what we found, a lot of companies are actually participating also, and they also track and help. I mean, we will support all of us from the industry, myself, all my colleagues, and other friends and volunteers. The whole Car Free Thursday group, we have a large group, about 60-70 volunteers in the group. We will all support. It's just that we came to know very kind of just few days back, so none of them could come. But the next activity will make sure there's a larger presence from the Car Free Thursday volunteer group. We're getting your active team into the Car Free Thursday also, where we're getting into the whole group. It's a volunteer team, about 60-70 volunteers. There are many days where 15-20 of us stand on the roads holding placards. And so we just have to sensitize. So I have stood on the road like at least some 20-25 days. Thursdays, many Thursdays, I will go for half an hour, 1 hour with all the others stand on the road, just holding placards, thanking people taking the bus and showing the people driving cars saying like, please leave your car home, carpool. And so it was very nice. We will revive the movement. We just started the discussion. Now that the rains are pretty much over.
Before we suggest we have to implement. Ramesh sir garu cheppinattu sir మన టీఎం సార్తో పాటు మనం సార్ని కలవడానికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సైకిల్ కనపడుతుంది, ఎవరిది భయ్యా అంటే రమేష్ సార్ గారు. సార్ ఎవ్రీడే ఆఫీస్కి సైకిల్ మీద వస్తూ ఉంటాడు. వన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ వీక్ అట్లీస్ట్ వన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ వీక్ సార్ అయితే తన వంతుగా తను సైకిల్ మీద వచ్చి వాళ్ళ కార్లు ఉన్నా అవన్నీ కూడా సైకిల్ మీద వస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ అప్రిషియేటబుల్. అలానే కాకుండా వాళ్ళ టీంలో కూడా చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. యాక్ట్ అని చెప్పేసి విశ్వ గారు కానీ, ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పినట్టు రాగిణి అని చెప్పేసి విశారెడ్డి గారు కానీ.
I would like to request.
Fan on time,
Audio, please. Wow, excellent performance. God bless you. Late night.
Thank you.
అదే ప్లీజ్ పిల్లలకి ఇంత మంచి ట్రైనింగ్ ఇప్పించి ఇంత మంచి డాన్స్ నేర్పించండి హ్యాండ్స్ ఆఫ్ టు అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఆ అదృష్టాన్ని మీకు ఇచ్చే భాగ్యాన్ని నేను ఇప్పుడు ఈ చిన్నానికి ఇస్తున్నాను. తమిళ బాక్స్ మ్యాపింగ్ లిస్ట్ చంద్ర సీరియల్ నెంబర్ మ్యాపింగ్ లిస్ట్ ప్లీజ్ 2 2 8 4